Nag-retry.
Wins battle. I'm done. Our turret is under attack. Ha! Science never loses. Slain an enemy. This, that. So many ideas in one try. Ally has been slain. Imagination dying? Never a problem for me.
Pasok ka pa, hayop
Your
ka.
team destroyed the turret. Hail, science. An enemy has been slain.
Gigil na gigil ng asong ito. Nice one, Hanabi.
Let science speak.
Trade na yung ano yan. Okay lang yung Lord na wala. Na-trade naman yung Torre, guys. Hindi namin nasamahan yung Lord.
Initiate retreat. Slain. Double kill. One day, one of my creations will surely amaze everyone. Shut down. Not now. I'm taking the blueprint of this brilliant design. Initiate retreat. You will win this battle. I've done the math. Ultimate experiment. First steps are usually difficult, but they sure are fun. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Bakit ako matatakot? Never
Wait,
to
Let me
natatakot
show you
ko.
my new masterpiece. Your team destroyed
Babalik
the
at
turret.
babalik pa rin ako. No matter what.
Imagination dying? Never a problem for me.
No matter what this is.
Explosion incoming. This, that. Slain an enemy.
Na. Sumapi. May sapi yan. Huwag yung palagan pag may sapi.
Come on, I got another idea. Mega kill.
Nice one pa rin pala.
Initiate retreat.
May Lord. Kulang tayo dalawa, may Lord.
Initiate retreat. Ultimate experiment.
Pinilit ni Diana.
Killing spree.
May Lord, pinilit ni Diana si Angela. Sino mali doon? Kasalanan ko yon. Kaya mag-sorry kayo. Guluhin nyo lang, Zilong! Guluhin mo, Zilong! One down! Isa pa, Zilong! At Lunox, go! Ay, wag na ituloy yan! Sarap kurutin ng mga batang ire. Sarap kurutin si Singit! Hindi na-reset! Nice one, Lunox! Alam ko talaga makukuha mo yun. Paghiganti si Lunox. Nice one. Isa pa. Hindi ko napindot dahil. Alam ko kasi na maubos yan ni Zilong. Go, Zilong! Sorry. ano yon? Hindi ko rin ma-explain. Sorry kung na-disappoint ka. Sorry kung disappointed ka sa akin.
Team destroyed.
Eto lang ako. Fabulous and beautiful!
Truths are forged through doubts.
Okay, game na. No more mistake. No more error for me. No.
An enemy has been slain.
No more mistake.
Thanks. Speak for itself. Ultimate initiate retreat.
Na. Ang kunat naman ni Angela, bakit?
Wait. Let me show you my new
Makunat na sila
masterpiece.
kasi may Athena na, tapos naka-Radiant na yun. Okay, si Layla na lang. Wala pang armor. Si Layla na lang pala. Sumapi na si Angela.
Request backup.
Tingnan nyo to.
One day, one might create surely make
Target off.
destroyed a turret.
Hello, boy.
An enemy has been slain. Ult is not ready.
Flicker na.
They need some improvement.
Tapos na pala. Tapos na.
Victory!
All good. Hindi tayo MVP. Sayang, di ako na MVP. 3 kasi yung error ko eh. Pero good shit. Good shit. Dami ko kasi error loads. Error. Science. Hello, Jonathan. Legend 4 na tayo, guys. Parang di na kayo inalat ngayon, sabi ni Precho. Kaya nga, kahit Tuesday, parang nawala yung sumpa. Kanina, mga bandang unang dami kong sumpa. Pero ngayon, okay na. Okay na siya. Hello, Sean. Ayan.
Your team
Sabihan ko kayo pag may play with viewers po tayo. Ngayon, mga kalaro ko ay random muna. Tsaka yung mga friendships ko po.
Your team is banning.
Friendships. Hello, Appy. Sancor. Di ako marunong mag-sun, tsaka ang pangit niya i-core loads. Medyo marunong naman, kaso hindi siya pang malabanan, pang sure win eh. Ang gusto po natin sure win.
Experience the euphony
The
of
enemy is
suffering.
Sure win. Joy. Wala akong future kay Joy.
I do what I
Pick a
want
hero.
to do.
Favorite nyo talaga Dirot ngayon, no? Bakit kaya? Bakit nyo favorite si Dirot? Pag magpo-popol ako, panalo agad. Charis! Pwede mag-bane.
It's time to go to the RT show.
Parang namiss ko mag-bane. Alpha na lang pala.
The enemy is picking.
Namiss ko mag-alpha, guys. Julian, Sherwin.
Demons shall
I
bathe
am
in
the
their blood.
moonlight that breaks
Oo,
through the
talaga. Si
darkness.
Julian maganda. Hindi mo nga lang sure kung masusure-win pag ako yung gumamit.
Now Kai enters the scene.
Pag ako yung nagjo-Julian, parang hotdog
The
eh.
enemy is picking.
Bilhin ko yung new skin ni Alpha. Ano yun?